Acid rain is any form of precipitation that contains acidic compounds.
It forms when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the atmosphere and transferred by wind and air currents.
The compounds mix into water before it falls to the surface.
pH is the measurement used when measuring the acidity of an object.
Pure water has a pH level of 5.6, while acid rain has a pH of 4.4 to 4.2.
This means that acid rain is a strong acid.
Chemical weathering is a type of weathering that causes solids to decompose or rust.
Different types of chemical weathering include oxidation, hydrolysis, and acid rain.
Oxidation is the process in which oxygen reacts with other elements.
Oxidation causes rust to form on metallic objects.
When iron, a strong, structurally sound metal, goes through the process of oxidation, it becomes a brittle red powder.
Hydrolysis is the chemical breakdown of a compound due to reaction with water.
It is considered the opposite of condensation.
There are 3 common types of hydrolysis: salts, acids, and bases.
Salts from a weak base or acid dissolves in a liquid to create hydrolysis.
Water can act as an acid or a base. The water molecule would give away a proton to create acid hydrolysis.
A base hydrolysis reaction will be similar to the hydrolysis for base dissociation. A base that often dissociates in water is ammonia.
Chemical weathering can also cause the formation of detailed caves by water combining with carbon dioxide to make carbonic acid.
The carbonic acid then reacts with the calcite and limestone to create these beautiful landforms. Acid rain affects plants by changing the acidity of the soil by neutralization.
This process is called buffer capacity.
Without buffer capacity, the pH of the soil would change rapidly.
Scientists believe that the acid in the rainwater dissolves the plant's nutrients and helpful minerals in the soil.
Also, acid rain releases harmful chemicals such as aluminum into the soil.
When leaves are frequently coated in acid rain and fog, their protective waxy coat wears away and creates brown spots on the leaf.
Food crops usually aren't affected by acid rain. However, farmers use fertilizer in the soil to replace the missing nutrients.
The harm of acid rain on humans is not exactly direct.
However, the air pollution that causes acid rain is more damaging to humans than acid rain itself.
Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides can irritate or even damage our lungs.
The pollutants that cause acid rain reduce visibility.
This means our vision will become less clear.
In conclusion, acid rain is a form of chemical weathering in which sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides combine with precipitation.
Acid rain breaks down statues, changes acidity of soil rapidly, and causes harm to the human respiratory system.
We can help end acid rain by cutting down on the burning of fossil fuels and the use of vehicles and heavy equipment.
Fire in the hole! You know I'll make it acid rain, you know I'll make it pour. Time to learn about the facts, just sit down and you learn some more. Let's get started. Emissions are departed from their sources, burning fossil fuels and burning them without remorses. The courses of action won't lead to satisfaction.
That's why they be rising up and causing up a reaction. Clouds be stirring up with that nitrogen oxide. Don't even get me started with that carbon dioxide. Pouring with decomposition, drizzle, little bizzle, affecting other plants like they be struck with a chisel. Fish, trees, living things affecting us all. Better watch the acid rain, cause when it pours, it falls.
When it rains, it pours. That acid rain's affecting all of the plant life. Catch the carpool or go take the bus. Acid rain's affecting all of us. When it rains, it pours. That acid rain's affecting all of the plant life. Catch the carpool or go take the bus. Acid rain's affecting all of us.
Chemical weathering. Your face.
It's acid rain. Oh shoot. The kick. The pulse. The drive. this called? A squat or a plie? Plie?
I think that's a plane.
I quit ballet because the lady yelled at me because I couldn't jump over the alligators.
The alligator.
Yeah, so she had two little pads.
Oh,
And
I
it was like
remember
this.
that.
And
Dude.
Put your headphones on.
okay. It's already going. For 10 seconds. 12 seconds. 13.
Chemical weathering can also stop laughing. Chemical weathering can also cause the formation of detailed caves by stop.
I was sitting. I think I just legit made sweat today. It's on the wall with my feet.
Chemical weathering.
That was cool.
My face looks like a tomato.
Look at that, man.
Whoa.
Listen. Can you hear it? It's my back against the wall. You can like hear it.
Scientists. The harm of acid rain on humans is not exactly direct.
You go. In conclusion, acid rain is a form of chemical weathering in which sulfur dioxide and